Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new, hi, I'm Finn. I post mainly about makeup and coins and some other really random stuff. I don't have much of a niche, but if you like makeup and or coins, yeah, do you know what, just if you could hit the sub button, it'd be much appreciated. I'm trying to get to 500 by the end of the year, so we'll see if that happens. Probably not, but we'll see. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm showing you guys how I tone my hair for cheap, because my hair is quite evidently not naturally this colour and it needs a tone. I had a shadow root like last week and it was like this big and just the same colour as my eyebrows, so it's that there. So the tone that I use is actually the Jerome Russell Be Blonde, because I want to be blonde, and it looks like this. It comes from B&M. This is £3.50 from B&M, so it's really affordable for a toner, and I use this in conjunction with the L'Oreal Avive purple shampoo, which is the best purple shampoo ever if you've got blonde hair. Hand on heart, trust me, it's amazing. I can't even leave it on my hair for too long though, because it would go purple, so it tones so quickly. I'm going to brush this out so you guys can see. It's not bad, it needs another go. Like in the daylight I'm really happy with it, but it's when I'm recording it just looks a little bit yellow, so that is what I'm working with. So it's got the tiniest bit of yellow tinge to it, probably because it needs a wash, but I just don't like it, so we're going to tone it again. So I'm going to go get my hair damp, because this product only works with damp hair, and then I'll be right back and I'll show you how I put it on my head, if that's not self-explanatory. I'm going to show you anyway. See you in a sec. Hi guys, I'm back. So I've literally just dampened my hair. It's probably worthwhile as well to let you know that I am doing this on dirty hair, so I haven't washed my hair in 2 or 3 days. I know you shouldn't brush wet hair, so I'm going to use the Tangle Teaser to sort of minimise the damage that I'm doing, and probably start at the bottom so that that minimises the damage as well. It's like blonde / yellow, like it's not quite yellow but it's not quite platinum. So give it a good shake. And this kind of works a little bit like shampoo, so it actually does like lava. So I'm literally just going to pour it in my hand, it comes out bright purple. And I know I've got long hair, but it's quite fine, so there's enough in one bottle to last me 2 applications. And what I really love about this as well is that my hair feels nice after it, and I know that my hair won't go purple, and now I've said that, it's going to go purple. I just know it's going to happen, so touch wood. Right guys, my head is saturated, so I'm going to go and get a shower cap, stick that on my hair, because apparently like the heat can make it work better, so that's what I'm going to do. That's apparently, I basically just watched a load of Brad Mondo and I'm pretty sure he said that once, so yeah. This is what I look like. Quite evidently not attractive, but hopefully it will help me feel more attractive afterwards. Everything has to get worse before it can get better. Life quotes. I'll see you guys in half an hour. Love you, bye. So this is what it looks like at the moment. I already think some of the yellow is gone, so I'm gonna go wash this out. I'll wash this out till it runs dry, then I will use my purple shampoo really quickly, just as an average shampoo, and some conditioner, and then I'll get back to you guys and we can see if it made any difference. See you in a second. So I've washed it out. I used the purple shampoo that I spoke about, and I used the rest of my Tresemme conditioner, and that is what that looks like so far. So I'm going to blow dry it, but I think I can already see a huge difference, to be honest. I think like a lot of the brightiness has gone. I hope so anyway. So right, I'm going to dry it and then I'll get right back to you guys, so you'll be here for the final reveal. So my hair is done, guys. I freaking love it. That worked so well. Like the yellow, as far as I can see, the yellow's gone. There's no yellow in the mirror anyway. And I've just put in a few like loose-ish curls for you guys to see like the full effect. So if I stand up, it is just, It's a bit more platinum towards the bottom, but I did expect that because that's been toned so many times before. So that's how I do my hair for a really, really good price. Like toning costs me, it costs me £3.50. I have all of the other things like my purple shampoo, etc. And I just really, really, really like this. So honestly, I know this box says silver, but the platinum one, it is exactly the same box, just get rid of this bit and it says platinum. And just be careful that you're picking the right one. But I love it. I think that's worked so well. If you guys like this video, please hit that thumbs up button. It helps me out so much. You've got no idea. And if you want to see or hear more, please subscribe. It's so appreciated. And I'm really, really trying to get my to 500 this year. That's my goal, is 500. Probably not going to happen, but it's my goal. If you guys have any tips or tricks for me, please drop them in the comment box. I'm all up for easier ways of doing things. So I hope you have a wonderful evening, hope you have a wonderful weekend, hope you have a wonderful life if I do not see you again. And I will hopefully see you guys in the next one. Bye!